Hi, I'm Nash, and I'm a Mayvenn certified stylist, and we're going to show you the process of a middle part braid down pattern when using a closure.
Closure installs are best for clients that are looking for a full protective style and don't mind keeping their part in the same area. Start with blown out or brushed out hair and determine where you want to place your part. For a middle part closure, braid down the hair with all sections parted from the middle of the head. Adjust the main parting for wherever you'd like the closure to be installed. The back section of the hair can be braided down in a flat circular pattern. Don't forget to sew down any ends of the natural hair for a seamless foundation.